Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on Planner 5D and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should enter to know whether or not this AI interior design app is worth it for you. Planner 5D is a widely used online and app-based home design and 3D floor plan creator, popular for its intuitive interface. Its primary strengths include an easy-to-use drag and drop system for creating 2D floor plans and converting them into 3D designs, an extensive catalog of over 8,000 furniture and decor items, and the ability to generate photorealistic 4K renders. It also offers AI-powered features like floor plan recognition and uploaded images and design suggestions, making it accessible for both beginners and some professionals. However, despite its user-friendliness, Planner 5D operates on a freemium model where many advanced features, including high-quality renders and access to a full item catalog, are locked behind paid subscriptions. Users have reported that occasional performance issues such as lagging or crashing, especially with web version or complex projects. While it provides good visualization, it may lack the granular control and precision needed for professional grade architectural drawings or highly detailed structural modifications. Planner 5D is ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and students who want a straightforward, visually appealing tool to design and visualize room layouts, explore decor ideas, and create basic floor plans. It suits those who prioritize ease of use and quick visualization over high technical or complex architectural software. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.